Small business accounts for 70% of private sector employment and makes up more than 99% of all businesses in Canada. In 2010, the government of the day released the Paperwork Study. The study looked at the paperwork costs borne by Canadian businesses in 2005, and then 3 years later in 2008. During that time, paperwork costs increased by 29% on average. These costs went up for all sizes of business, except the very largest. For our largest businesses, paperwork costs declined by 13%. The point is, for governments, bureaucrats, and our business schools, small business is almost invisible. They don't get it. At The Hatchery, we're all about small business. We train and support accounting technicians to help small businesses with their paperwork costs.
The best way to learn accounting is to just do it. If your goal is to be a professional accountant, you might consider working in a public accounting firm as an intern, preparing year-end files. In Canada, 73% of private sector workers are either self-employed or work for one of the 1.3 million small employer businesses. These businesses are very small and taken together average less than 3 workers. Overwhelmingly, these very small businesses outsource their tax preparation and filing to independent public accountants. At The Hatchery, our professional accountants and technicians can mentor staff working for these small businesses. As companies grow, the interns can grow with them. The Business Analyst Technician program helps students learn to use professional spreadsheet software, like Excel, Google Sheets, or other functionally equivalent spreadsheets, to summarize financial transactions. Then they post these to a working trial balance. With a little self-study, or a few college courses, and some hands-on experience, they will become increasingly useful to their employers as part-time accounting technicians. Learning to use spreadsheets effectively will continue to serve students and their employers well throughout their careers. Employers and students might ask why we don't just start off using accounting software. The answer is simple. The student's first priority should be to learn the fundamental accounting algorithm and internalize it. Often software applications obscure what is happening. They're a kind of black box that does everything for you. If you rely too much on the tool, you'll never know what results to expect. Of course, accounting software is very worthwhile. But not until the company is ready for it. If you're going to implement a computerized accounting system, you'll need to train the software to categorize transactions correctly. Training someone to do something actually requires a significant amount of knowledge. It requires a fundamental understanding of the problem. This is particularly true when the person you're training is as stupid as a computer. The goal here is for students to internalize the fundamental accounting equation. Only then will they be competent to train the accounting software. CLOUDWARE is one of 2 micro-certifications designed to get Canadians job-ready quickly, working as accounting technicians. These technicians are needed to support Canada's more than 4 million small businesses. Our innovative online training is available at no cost for students. At The Hatchery, we believe that employers are better placed than anyone to provide vocational training for their own staff. We facilitate training by linking technicians with skilled mentors who can guide them and evaluate their work.